Our warehouse operator can find quick information about any material in the warehouse using a simple transaction. The warehouse option in the process menu is selected, and then material info transaction in the subsequent screen. The material number is now entered or scanned from a barcode. This screen displays the bins where it is available and the available stock. This can be further drilled down to view additional details such as the storage unit, batch number if batch managed, total quantity, available stock, stock category, GR date, etc. This transaction also allows us to navigate from one info area to another info area. For example, clicking on the material takes us back to the list of bins with the material. Clicking on the storage unit shows us the storage unit details, and clicking on the bin will give us the bin details. The bin details screen shows us information such as the material available in the bin, available stock, put away stock, etc. Clicking on the Back to Start button will take the user back to the initial screen with the list of materials with the ability to look up another material.